guys. I want you to meet John. Hey, John.
Hey, Patty, good to see you.
John, where are you at exactly right now?
I'm in Queens, New York.
I love Queens. So, how did you get into mixology and how did you get to love tequila so much?
I was the managing editor of Men's Health magazine. We were doing a lot of coverage of beer and wine, but there was a cocktail revolution happening and we weren't covering it. So I started studying cocktails because I felt like it was important for our readers, and that's where I rediscovered tequila. Once I started to explore the real 100% agave delicious tequila, I understood what a complex and beautiful spirit that it really is.
So you have two things that kind of balance each other out, creating new cocktails and then you get to sit and write. That's like the perfect balance.
That's right.
Wait, should we try a sip first?
Alrighty.
Sweet, caramelly, woody, yum.
What we're gonna make today is a spicy chipotle sangrita.
Sangrita is the traditional way to chase your tequila.
That's right.
How do you make your sangrita?
First thing I did was cook down some ripe fine tomatoes.
I cooked it down with a whole chipotle pepper.
It gives the drink a little body, but it has a nice hit of smoke on it. So we're just gonna take our mixture here, strain it out. You just wanna get that juice out of there.
And it smells so nice.
About 2 pounds came out to exactly 2 cups.
Nice and thick and rich. Just so you know, this is my favorite color right here. So I'm pouring this in the blender.
2 parts tomato to 1 part orange juice.
And then lime juice.
Half a cup. Next up,
How much?
a couple of teaspoons of the chili and adobo sauce.
Oh, great.
So 2 teaspoons or so should give you a nice medium spice. A little bit of that smoke, which is gonna play so well with the Reposado tequila. Tablespoon of minced onion.
And the onion is gonna give it that sharp, pungent, fresh bite.
And then we got a little salt and pepper.
Looking good. Oh, I love Worcestershire sauce.
Very savory, mellows out the citrus in here. And then very important, agave, because that's gonna balance the lime. I'm just gonna do 2 tablespoons.
Done?
Patty, we're done.
Okay.
Sangrita is ready. Take my mixture,
Putting this in the pitcher. You let it chill for a little.
slice up a lime. I have 3 shot glasses. Simply drop the lime.
One lime.
Now we're gonna get to the good part finally. Then we're gonna pour our tequila.
Reposado. How much do you pour?
We're gonna do 1.5 ounces. Just give your sangrita a little bit of a stir. Simple as can be. Here's my presentation.
Oh, that's beautiful. So how do you sip it?
For me, always the tequila first.
Cheers.
Cheers. Yeah. Beautiful agave sweetness on there, that pepper and that little bit of influence on the yolk on the back.
El reposado, it is like have a sip and you taste the sweet, and then after the sweet comes the woody and it opens up your chest.
And we've got our sangrita. Cheers.
Oh, yum. This is a stunning sangrita, John. It's super balanced and you don't taste like the raw part of the onion. Very tomato rich, but not tomato in your face. Savory, sweet, spicy, yum.
Very nice.
Wait, when did you do the lime?
I use the lime as garnish.
I love it. Now I have my own sangrita and I have you to thank, John.
Anytime.